Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Pai Manuel, a proud preschool teacher and director for Children's Place. Isa sa mga adhikain ko when I was growing up ay mapaligaya ang mga tao sa aking paligid, lalo na ang aking pamilya. Maabot minsan na kahit nasasaktan ako, basta mapasaya ko lang sila. Nabago ang lahat when I met the Lord. Natutunan ko na siya pala ang dapat kong iniuna at pinapaligaya. Naging aktibo ako sa iba't ibang mga gawain sa church. The Lord has blessed me with so many talents from teaching, ushering, counseling, hosting, acting, directing, at sa puntong ito, tinama din ng Panginoon ang aking perspective to be in love with the giver of gifts more than the gifts. Dumating ang masasabi kong pinakamalaking trial sa akin when I lost my parents. It felt like my world stopped. I questioned God, but He remained faithful and made me feel loved through my family and church community. I understand His purpose. Nagpapasalamat ako at hindi ako binitiwan ng Panginoon. I connect to Jesus each day through His words from the Bible. Hindi ka mauubusan ng mga pangako, pag-asa, nag-uumapaw na grasya. Sabi nga sa Romans 8:18, "For I consider the sufferings of this present time are not worth comparing with the glory that is to be revealed to us." I am Pai Manuel, forever grateful. I live my life for Jesus and I follow the only one, Jesus.
Follow the only one. Follow Jesus. Brought to you by Emmett Street Coffee and Tea.
Me Radio Time, it is now 6:27 in the morning.
Me Radio Time is brought to you by Whirlpool, sensing what matters today.
Making your world a little easier. Whirlpool.
Arena Plus Sports Group. Arena Plus. Gaming is for 21 years old and above only. Gambling can be addictive. Know when to stop.
Start strong with internet that's fast, reliable, and easy on the budget with Cable Link. Lightning fast internet for streaming, gaming, and work. Perfect for speed seekers.
Mapa-on cam sa TV o on air sa radyo, aba, dapat laging lively at full of energy. Hello, beautiful people! Ako ang inyong tita Winnie Cordero. Always at your